Welcome back. A day after BJP MP Konyak from Nagaland alleged that Congress leader and leader of opposition in Lok Sabha Rahul Gandhi misbehaved with her, the National Commission for Women on Friday urged Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla and Rajya Sabha Chairman Jagdeep Dhankar to take strict action. The National Commission for Women said that it has taken suo motu cognizance of the incident and called for swift action to uphold the dignity of women parliamentarians. The NCW described the incident as a direct affront to the dignity and also the rights of women MPs, and it called for strong measures to ensure such conduct does not go unchecked. Konyak, a tribal BJP MP from Nagaland, alleged that Rahul Gandhi came into her close proximity and shouted at her during a protest outside the parliament on Thursday, making her feel quote-unquote extremely uncomfortable. BJP filed an FIR against Rahul Gandhi, which includes multiple sections of the BNS accusing Gandhi of physical assault and incitement. The Congress denied the allegations, and Rahul Gandhi alleged that it was the ruling party MPs who stopped, threatened and intimidated him.
You were saying that you were present at the location when this happened. What do you have to say about it, ma'am?
I think it was a big sham. I think that to have used that lady MP from Naga, it was disgusting. Disgusting, shameful. Shameful. And I'm so upset that she decided to get used.
But, ma'am...
They were, in fact, these people, they were so aggressive. And they were standing on the steps. They were not allowing people to go inside the house.
बीजेपी मुझे लगता है कि सोचा समझी चाल के तहत उन्होंने ये किया है। इस तरह का फेस ऑफ पार्लियामेंट में कभी देखने को नहीं मिला है। और जब इतने सारे लोग आमने सामने हैं तो यू आर बाउंड टू फंबल ऑन द स्टेप्स। और अगर एक फंबल होता है तो ग्रेजुअली जो पीछे के लोग हैं फंबल होंगे। तो मैं समझती हूँ इसके लिए केवल भारतीय जनता पार्टी जिम्मेदार है।
No FIR on the Congress's complaint by the Delhi police.
ये इस तरह का व्यवहार उत्तर प्रदेश में भी हो रहा है, जहाँ पे जो लोग गलत करते हैं उनकी FIR लिखी नहीं जाती है। दूसरे पक्ष मतलब सत्ता पक्ष वाले FIR नहीं लिखवाते हैं। और वही जो एग्जाम्पल है आज दिल्ली में भी हमको देखने को मिल रहा है, क्योंकि जो लोग जिम्मेदार हैं वो लोग तो FIR लिख पा रहे हैं, लेकिन जब दूसरा पक्ष भी चाहता है कि FIR लिखवाएं तो FIR नहीं लिखी जा रही है। जहां कांग्रेस वाले जहां गठबंधन चाह रहे हैं कि FIR दाखिल हो तो नहीं हो पा रही है।
And my colleague Sabyasachi is now joining us with more details on this story. Sabyasachi, trouble seems to be mounting for Rahul Gandhi as NCW has also taken suo motu cognizance, and in fact the BJP has filed an FIR against him.
Well, that's right. See, trouble mounting from leader of opposition, Mr. Rahul Gandhi. In fact, the NCW yesterday have taken a suo motu cognizance in this matter. In fact, the NCW has already written to the Rajya Sabha chairman as well as the Lok Sabha speaker, Om Birla. The NCW said that it is a grave concern and action should be initiated in this regard, as the interim of the women member of parliamentarians should be maintained. Now, the NCW has also called that this incident should not go unchecked. In fact, several of the BJP member of parliament have levelled allegation against Mr. Rahul Gandhi. In fact, the BJP MP from Nagaland, MP Konyak, already said that she felt uncomfortable when Mr. Rahul Gandhi came in a very close proximity to her. He shouted at her, and that is the reason why she felt uncomfortable. And clearly after that, reactions also coming in from the Congress party, as several of the Congress leaders in fact have claimed that these allegations made by a member of parliament Konyak is absolutely fabricated and false, and they are trying to tarnish and malign the image of leader of opposition Mr. Rahul Gandhi. In fact, Mr. Gandhi has also got support from the other alliance partners of the India bloc like the Samajwadi Party and the Trinamool Congress, who have been calling this allegation from member of parliament Konyak as fabricated and false.